right, part 2. We're still protecting the towers. This is picking up right after part 1. I had to leave the field to reload, and by the time I respawned back in, we had lost a lot of ground. Please like and subscribe, and let's get into it.
Getting ready to push the tower. You're telling me I didn't fucking hit it. Come on.
Oh, shit. Pushed up to that first leg, got him. Somebody got him. Nice job, nice job. Eric, nice. What's up? Huh?
And then, backside.
Yeah. I just went out and filled up. You need one? 3-6. Yeah, here.
Take thin, take real thin. Oh, I hate that. Ow, hit! Oh, that was right to the head. Oh, no, I don't wear a helmet. Backside of tower, or not tower, hold me. Woo. Oh.
Don't happen to be a little magnet.
I don't see one, man. Come on, buddy. Hey, that leg. He pulled the smoke. Eric, he pulled some smoke on there, man.
Alright, that's fine. I see them if they look more.
Do we still have one more smoke?
Coming across.
They have to pull?
Hey, coming across. Is the smoke part of the objective?
I think the smoke is part of the...
Hey, we got one on the other side of the barricade right across the street.
I'm gonna come out there with you and push up, man. Behind that truck in front of you, Eric. Eric, you need some more? Huh? Shit. Sorry, man.
You need to get to that right side of that front tower to set the bomb. Keep them off that, we should be good.
How do we set it?
No, they need to set it.
The right side?
Yeah, you see that little black thing on the ledge?
Yeah.
They need to get to that. Once we keep them off that, we should be good.
We need to push up.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah.
Down from that building right on my 10 o'clock. Straight diagonal from me in the windows.
Dude, he's under the car. He's under the car. I gotta reload. I got him. Hold on. All that dry fire training and I'm fumbling with my mags. Guy out from the car. Eric, that might have been your guy. I do not see anybody in the windows. Come on, bro. Nice. Woo. I got a guy pushing my right. Eric, you still good? Talking to my boy over here. In your goggles, man. Sorry. Eric. Dude. Come on, bruh. Thank you, sir. I got one behind the tower. He's out. Hey. Eric. I'm pushing.
Don't push stuff to this building right here.
Let's go. We got a minute left. Who shot? Who shot? Who shot? Let's get him. Let's get him. Stack up. Stack up. Hey, bud. You go left. I'll go corner. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Watch these doors to your left. Homie, I got the doorway.
Hey guys, so that's the first objective of the day down, and on my way off the field I asked the ref who won.
Is it, did they get the towers?
They polled them, but they didn't poll all of them, so they failed the objective.
So in Airsoft fashion, due to a technicality, we win. If you guys made it this far and you're not subscribed, what you doing? Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.